Ang malaking impact sa akin yung meron dong malaking bowl na nandun yung mga plastics. Tapos, di ba, pinakuha sa atin lahat ng plastics, pinatanggal sa atin. Doon nakita ko na kung wala palang plastics, makikita mo yung ganda ng mundo. So, yun. Tapos, from doon sa plastic na yun, nakakreate pa ng panibagong materials, na yung materials na yun, ginagamit din pang relief operation. So, natutunan ko yung refuse, reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. So, yun yung gusto kong mabalik pagdating sa atin. Kasi once na na-practice ko yan, nakita ng mga kasama ko, syempre kahit paano makaka-encourage din ako ng ibang tao.
I think all of you know that this blanket is made in PET bottles, right? Actually, this is the car roof door. The factory side, they cut the size they need, and then the remaining clothes we collect to here. And then, yeah, car roof, and then our sister, she designed, and then make it like a beautiful one.
That elderly lady who was 90 and she had complete control of her faculties and her movements, because I am only 73 and she is 90, but I can see that she is very active. Her mind, her spirit, and her body are active, and she is making the full use of herself for the service of others. What went into my mind was, I think I should make also the most out of what I have to be able to give to others.
Nakikita mo in action yung people involved with recycling. Tapos yung nakakatuwa pa kasi yung mga people involved with the eco products, they're so giving, they're so generous, and very wholehearted yung pagtulong nila sa kapwa. So parang yun, lalo pa talagang nakakatuwa. Sana ma-emulate talaga natin yung ganong practice. Ayoko na maging superficial lang ako. Sana parehas yung parang level of dedication na mabibigay ko sa mga patients na natin.
So this is made by the PET bottles. Wow! This is also made by the PET bottles.